Hi guys, welcome back to Dog Dam. Sorry we have been AWOL for the past, I don't know how long, but we've been really busy. I've been doing my nursing degree, April's been being able, and that's been met. So we're going to have pancakes today, and we were planning to go to the Kelpies, but it's pretty miserable outside, so we don't know if we'll get to go, but we could do something fun. We're gonna have fun? No?
You want some dog pancakes?
You want pancakes? You want pizza? Let's see, that's different. You want pizza?
Pancakes.
Pizza.
But pancakes.
Pizza! Abel, where's the pizza? Where's the pizza?
Family pancakes, courtesy of Rachel. And Abel's little one here. Some peanut butter. And bacon for us. They're yours? They're your pancake? Looks like pizza.
Yeah. I'm cutting it like pizza, so maybe he'll enjoy it like pizza.
One of Abel's favourite words is pizza. So cut his pancake like a pizza and ask him, want some pizza? Pizza?
You want some pizza?
Oh, peanut butter all over the floor. That good?
Suppose it's only fair that I clean up then. This could take a while. Pancake batters are a nightmare to get out of stuff. We've had 3 seasons this weekend. It's typical Scottish weather, Scottish summer. It's dry at the moment, so we're going to go to the Kelpies with Abel, which is big horses, and that's all you really need to know right now. Big horses.
Big horse.
Big horse heads.
I've not seen them. I've seen them in photos, but
Yeah,
I've never been.
yeah, that's where we're going.
Excited.
Excited!
Yes.
Some typical Scottish weather fashion. As soon as we get in the car, rain. So lucky us, we've arrived and the sun's out. Jinx. It's getting Abel's dress on. Go tell you walk around Helix and visit the Kelpies. That's Soggy Pup. He joined the lab in the water. Abel, you soaking? It's just under the side though. We've not even got a towel. We've not got a towel.
Give Mum
It's on your lap.
straw again.
You've got a mummy's boy for a dog.
Massively. Are you Mummy's boy? It's Mummy's boy. Hello, handsome.
It's pretty banging. It's a good atmosphere. Rachel running videos.
Rachel running videos.
Got that.
God damn it.
I'm gonna go get a coffee and use the bathroom. Because we're not like able. We can't just go where we feel like it.
So I just had to go and rescue Abel from the cafe. He decided to run into the building, into the cafe, and now I don't quite know what he's doing, to be honest. But
So we arrived at our main attraction, which is the horses.
yeah,
Super windy.
so windy.
Look at that hair flow in the wind.
Having a L'Oreal moment every single second. Where's our dog? Abel.
He's gone.
He actually is. Abel. Hi.
Do you like that nose pick?
I loved it.
We legit lost the dog for a bit. Because Rachel's a bad mum.
I'm a terrible one. It's all this because my hair's in my face the whole time and I can't see him.
You been a pest? You been a pest?
Yes.
It's so windy. Oh, I think it is.
Like,
I've had to anchor the dog. It's that windy. You're lucky. Who gets a jelly top?
you.
I get a jelly top?
You get the jelly
You
top.
don't want a jelly top?
No, I'm just giving it to you because I love you. And because I don't want it.
Oh, you're going to lose that in there. Probability of your biscuit getting lost inside your tea. There ain't no digestives.
There's a 100% chance that I'll be disgusting and drink it at the end, so.
Visited the Kelpies, we're now going off the...
Oh, you're still on the dog.
God, you're doing well today. Lost the dog, nearly stood on him. Like I need to,
He's kicked him as well. He's right in my feet!
like I need to trade you in. A better mum.
We're a better mum.
Yeah.
You've never been a better dog mum than me.
So we're going off the beaten track.
Lies.
Going off the beaten track of the Kelpies now. Because we're done with all that. It's a bit quieter this way as well.
This is a human, what do you call it? Sundial. But I'm standing on, are we in June or July now? No, we're July, right? Today's the 1st. Oh no, it's June. Okay, oh hold on, is it 5 o'clock right now? Well, pretty much. We're on an adventure. Because we're lost.
Yeah, I might have gotten us lost. Look at that smudge. It's like an Able bot.
Pup.
Able sponge.
Since we've got something on our faces, it's not because we're minky, it's just because Abel's minky. He smashed the camera.
And I've got us totally lost. I have no idea where we are. Abel's kind of given up now as well. You alright back there? You good? I've not brought the right footwear for this. Nice boots. Look at that angry face.
Have you seen what's just happened? We were right there, right at the Kelpies. Matt was like, oh yeah Rachel, there's this Love and Kisses Rachel, it'll be 2 minutes round the road. Fine. And we've just been walking for exactly, the last time we checked in at that human sundial was 5 o'clock, it's now 6 o'clock. 1 whole hour we have been walking, lost, aimless, and we turn right back up to the exact same place that we were. I am fuming! Furious!
I can see the car.
Yeah.
You can see the car?
Yes.
That's us home. Got a tired puppy.
Tired misses.
I'm okay. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate it. We catch you on the next one. Bye.